Hi, I'm presenting a feature on rule-based courier allocation and why it is important. E-commerce last mile delivery is complex in India with over 27,000 pin codes. Brands at scale must rely on multi-carrier shipping. There are many national and regional courier companies, each with their own areas of expertise and service levels that vary on several factors. You may want to assign a courier partner based on a specific region, or you may want to assign courier partner based on the size of consignment or fragility of the product itself. Or you may want to simply allocate it based on the payment method, cash on delivery or a prepaid. That's where our feature comes in. You can very simply define your condition, set the courier priority based on those conditions, and just automate this as a workflow. Now let me show you how you can configure this fairly simply onto our platform. As you log into WareIQ's platform, you need to go to the settings and then click on the couriers. That's how you get to our courier allocation engine. You would see that there are already some rules which are assigned. I'll show you how you can create your own custom rules. You go and click on the create custom rule options. Now, you first rule that I'm going to create based on the region of the parcel. Suppose you have a preference that for your North India orders, a particular courier partner is better than the other. So you can set up a North India courier rule, which I'm assigning as priority 1. This is for domestic B2C orders, and I have to define a condition. So the condition over here is that for delivery zones, which is either A, which is same city, or delivery zone is zone B, which is anything which is 500 kilometers from the warehouse. And I need to also add in the condition of the pickup point, which is my warehouse in North India through which suppose I'm shipping it out, and I use my courier option of Delhi as my pickup point. I need to assign with this condition what is my courier priority. Now suppose I have better experience working with delivery as first priority for North India and Blue Dart as second priority, and for third I want to assign say DDDC. If you save this rule, you would get your North India courier allocation rule built out. Now let me show you how you can do this for say a COD order rule. Now suppose the rule is that when the order is cash on delivery, your preference is a specific courier partner, and when it is prepaid, the options are what is your default configuration anyway. So I'll show you how you can set up a COD rule. I'm assigning a priority order over here. Order type is again domestic. Now I'm assigning a condition. So over here I go to the payment mode and define the order. If it is a COD, then the courier priority, suppose over here my first priority for a COD is delivery, second priority say Blue Dart, and third priority is DDTC. And I save this. That's how my COD orders are going to be assigned. Now let me take another example. A lot of companies deal in fragile products. Some of the products are made of glass and they feel that only certain partner is better equipped to handle it versus the other option. So I'm setting up a fragile courier rule and assigning it a priority, assigning it for D2C, B2C domestic orders. Now I need to define those specific SKU codes where I feel that this set of couriers should be allocated. So now I need to tell which are those set of SKUs. Now I have a ready set of SKU list which I need to just input over here, which I know are made of glass or have experience of breakage by the courier partners. So I go over here, put in these the SKU codes where I would have preference of a very specific courier partner. So what will happen is, as I put in these SKU codes, as soon as an order comes in with these SKUs in the order file, this priority order of courier partner will be assigned. I'm randomly assigning a courier option. This is for the demo, but however the experience, so these partners are not really reflective of our opinion right now. So you have set up a priority one for Blue Dart, second priority DTDC, and third of delivery. Once you save this, now your fragile courier rule is being set up. Now let me take last case of a courier rule, and this is for say weight slabs. A lot of courier partners have, a lot of brands have very specific preference of courier partner when it comes to say a heavy shipment. So I'm setting up a heavy shipment rule, assigning it a priority again domestic orders, the condition over here is weight. So weight of the parcel is say greater than or equal to 10 kgs, for example. Now over here, I'm assigning a courier option, say blue dot 10 kg is my first priority, and then DTDC 10 kg is my second priority, and third, I put in delivery 10 kg. Now once I set this up, again the rules is configured. So it is as simple as what I just showed in. And once these sets of rules are configured, you can make these rules active and inactive through these simple toggle button, and your operations team can enable a very specific choice of courier partner to ensure your success rate are higher. You can always get in touch with WareIQ team who tracks this overall matrices on a regular basis to get our recommendations and utilize that to be more efficient in your delivery performance.